Hi, it's Madam Eileen. How are you doing this morning? Today we're going to continue the exciting world of llamas. Do you remember little blue llama? Are you having fun making him? Here are some variations you might have also come up with, but I did it figuring out for you if you need a little extra assistance on what to do if you don't have ends. There's so much balloon that can go to waste when making an end piece. I've already pre-made the beginning heads of my llamas, and I'll show you using the green what you can do. Or the pink. Let's go with pink. I like pink. Okay. We measure down our neck. We add the middle bubble. One variation I want to show you is the feet. You don't have to go up and down like dog feet. If you want to make your alpaca or your llama look extra fancy, add 2 little bubbles before you bring it up. Kind of like poodle legs. Gives it that really cute, dainty appearance. Measure to the back. Add in the cluster of little bubbles on the loops. Measure the leg. Notice how I'm pinching right here between my 2 fingers. That's how I hold it. I reach over and I twist and make a bubble. I reach over, twist, make a bubble. And as long as these 2 fingers keep pinching, these are not going to get undone. Then we fold it up. Again, now I'm holding the loops against me while holding the legs, and these bubbles are not untwisting. Put my thumb into the center of the cluster here. Pull in and give it a twist around to finish off the legs. You could even leave a little out if you want a tail. I'd rather not have the tail there, so just break all the rest of that. Wind the tail up around the back. Now here's an alternate for the nose. You can use a 260 end piece. I saved my scrap, so I have no problem getting end pieces. Inflated about the length of your finger, just short of, if you use your thumb, it's to this first joint of the finger. You can do it shorter, you can do it longer. It's your llama, it's your artwork. I find where the ears are, I usually like to put one of the loops above where I'm going to put the head. And then, you see how this is sticking out? If I give it a pull and let go, it gets eaten all the way deep inside and hidden automatically. If you don't want the ears to be uneven, just cut the nozzles